Welcome to another edition of Data Spaces. My name's Gareth. Today, I'm extremely excited to demo a new survey tool that enables businesses to streamline research and accelerate time to insights, all with no code and AI built in. It's called AI Surveys, and it's part of the prototypr.ai platform. I know, it doesn't have a flashy name like Claude or Llama 2, but it's a pretty awesome product powered by one of the world's most powerful natural language models in GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct. I recently used an earlier iteration to help me collect some product feedback at a conference I attended. So let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we can describe survey questions or a survey with up to 5 questions in seconds here. So I'm going to just create a short survey. So we'll say, please generate a short survey for a product demo. Okay, so generating survey. All right, perfect. Product demo survey. Thank you for trying out our product. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. This survey contains 3 questions and will take approximately 2 minutes to complete. Okay, that looks great. So let me call your attention over here to this blue button. So you'll see that has changed. Now it says edit question. And you can now edit questions with natural language. So I'll show you how that works. So let's just take a look at the survey first. How likely are you to recommend this product to a friend or colleague? Okay, what's your favorite feature of this product? Okay, and how would you rate the overall design and user interface of this product? Perfect. Okay, so, and there's also a thank you page. All this copy that you see is editable. So you can edit it. Let's start editing. Let's edit this first one. So, okay, so how likely would it be to recommend? Let's change this question to something else. Change this question to an open end and have it ask respondents about their first impressions of this product demo. Generate. All right, what were your first impressions of this product demo? Open end. Perfect. That looks great. Next question. So what is your favorite feature of this product? All right, I'm going to change this a little bit here. So we'll say change this question to an open end. Oh no, sorry, a checkbox. And ask respondents what they found, or what features they found most useful. Include features such as fast survey generation, AI insights, which I'll show you in a minute, reporting, and natural language editing. Perfect. All right, so let's see what it does. Okay, what features did you find most useful? Okay, I'll just add in something here. Please check all that apply. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let's just take a look at our survey. How would you rate the overall design? Okay, I'm going to keep that because I kind of want to understand what people think. Okay, so I think we're in pretty good shape here. Let's save this survey. So we'll say this is going to be a product demo survey that we're doing a live test on. So this is a live demo of a product feedback or product demo survey. A live demo of a product demo survey. Okay, whatever. All right, so let's hit save survey, and your survey automatically gets saved to your AI workspace. So there's a link there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to publish this survey. You can see the status is unpublished right now. Just hit the publish survey button and it says your survey has now been published. So it's live, which is great. I also include an AI tip here, so you can actually use our chat with GPT tool to ask it to generate a survey. I'm not going to do that for the sake of time right now, but I want to just kind of go into the actual survey itself. And here we go. Okay, so we're in live. This is the live survey. So what were your first impressions of this product demo? I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Love the natural language editing. What features do you find most useful? I kind of find most of these features useful, but I know I'm biased. And how would you rate the overall design of this interface? I think it's pretty good. I'll just say it's a 4. And we'll just finish the results. And so we've submitted our first response as a test. Let's go back here, and you'll see in here we'll see a bar chart icon. So just click on that, and that brings you to the report for your survey. So we're in the dashboard now. You can see we have one response. It took about 30 seconds to complete. The AI is actually crunching all the numbers and the data in here. And so you can kind of see the first impressions. Here's the response. Here's a bar chart of all the features I liked and how do you rate the overall design. So it got all the changes. It even came up with some pretty detailed survey analysis for just one question. So I'm still kind of working on this prompt, but basically it's going to give you common themes and areas for improvement and potential strategies to implement. One of the neat things that I like to just kind of point out here is we can chat with GPT 3.5 using this right here. So let's just say, let's do some analysis. Maybe we'll say, can you do a sentiment analysis on question 1 and put the results in a table? Okay, so we're just going to do something very simple, see what it's going to come back with. Okay, super simple. The response table, there it is, sentiment positive, so that's pretty neat. All right, so let's do something a little bit more exciting. Maybe we want to start to graph our data. So we could say, can you graph question 1 into 2 buckets, positive and negative sentiment, using chart.js, and create the graph as a bar chart. Okay, let's see if it'll start to do this. So I want to try and make it really easy for people to just kind of analyze their surveys and their data and be able to create basic visualizations. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it works. All right, perfect. So we have positive, negative. Here's the sentiment. That's our one response. It came up with that nice little graph. So that's great. So there's lots of things you can do here with analyzing your data using AI. It's really neat to be able to group it and cluster your data. And so I'm really excited to kind of dive into that, make this feature better, and just make this tool better. So hopefully you found this demo really useful and informative, and you'd love to try it out. So it's now available on prototypr.ai. I'll drop a link to the description. Would also love if you wanted to fill out this survey and actually give me some feedback on what you thought of this demo. I'll drop a link to the survey that we just created today. And that's it. That's the demo. That's AI surveys on prototypr.ai. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.